So, look, it's been a minute since I cleaned this room, right? It might look really nice from here up, you know, it looks really clean right now, but it's really not. And I haven't cleaned my room in like months. I don't really sleep in here either because it's so messy, and I just have not had the time to clean it. And it's currently like 8:25 in the morning, and I have to be to work at 12. And you know, that's enough time. I don't know why I didn't think to wake up early before. I mean, it is summertime, so like can get this done, you know what I'm saying, get it done. So yeah,
viewer discretion is advised.
Hope you guys like it. Be sure to give that thumbs up if you like videos like this one. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, we're going to get into the video.
I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Drizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
So like 3 hours to clean this little room because it was so freaking messy, but you know, it was worth it because now I don't have to, you know, I can do little cleans every week now. So yeah, there will be a part 2 of me actually decorating my room. This was just cleaning my room or whatever, getting it all tidied up before I decorate it. So if you are interested in seeing that, then stay tuned. Or if it's already out when you're watching this, then it'll be in the description box below. But as always, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below what you want to see in a future video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.